Let's talk about article writing for Cambridge first. This is a part 2 exercise. In our example here, this is from an English language website, and they ask you to write an article about music. So what exactly is an article? In the exam, an article is something that's usually written for an English language magazine or newsletter, and you can see in this example it can also be for a website. The main reason people read articles is because they are interesting. So there should be some opinions and some comments about the topic that readers will find interesting. So let's just do a quick check on this. The style is informal or semi-formal. It's not a newspaper article. You need to show that you're trying to engage or interest the reader in what you have to say. Make sure to use paragraphs, as in all forms of writing, and use suitable language, in this case language that makes the article interesting to somebody reading it. We can organize the article in 3 parts. There's our introduction, there's the body, and then finally there's the ending. The introduction, as always, introduces the topic. But what we need to try to do in this introduction is to try and interest the person, the reader, in what you're writing about. We often use direct questions to make the reader think about something, and then in the article you will give them answers to these questions. In the main part of the article, you need to discuss the points in the question. The 2 points in this case are when you listen to music and how you choose what music to listen to. In the last paragraph, we typically summarize what we've said in the article. We also try to remind the reader of the positive features of our opinion, and sometimes we invite them to take action, perhaps to go and do something like this themselves.